Let's see what's inside. Now the light looks very bad. To adjust the light in the interior, you first need to make the glass transparent. Let's create a glass material for the windows. Open Content drawer. Select the Content folder. Click with the right mouse button. New folder. Give a name, Materials. Then select it and set color. It will help you to navigate faster. In the created folder, create 2 more folders, Main and Instance. Go to the main folder and right-click in the free field. Select Material. Give the name with M prefix, mGlass. I created the material which will contain a set of necessary parameters and properties for the material instance. Go to editing this material by double-clicking. This is our material. In the slots on the left I will connect nodes that will determine the parameters of material. I'm creating a glass material, and for this I need to change the blend mode from opaque to translucent. The type of connection slots has changed. Let's go down and change the lighting mode to surface forward shading. Activate two-sided. Let's move to creating a set of material parameters. Right-click in an empty area. A menu will open with many nodes. For convenience you can use the search. Let's define a node for the base color of the material. Start typing a name and all nodes with the same name will appear in the list. Choose constant tree vector. Connect the node to base color. Don't forget to save changes to the material. To do this, click Apply and Save. Let's go back to the Content drawer. Now I will create a material instance from the material. Right-click on mGlass, Create Material Instance. Give a name with the prefix mi. To understand how the material instance works, I will open the material on the left and the material instance on the right. In the material, convert the color node to a parameter. Right-click, Convert to Parameter. Set the name, base color, click Apply. Now the created parameter became available in the material instance. Activate it and set the color. In the preview, the material sample looks completely black. To fix this, go to the project settings. Edit Project Settings. In the search above type Sky. Disable Ray Trace Skylight. Material preview is now displayed correctly. Change color to blue. Let's continue creating parameters. Metallic I can immediately convert to parameter. Also I will make with specular and roughness. For opacity I will create Fresnel transparency. Find the linear interpolation node. For slot A, connect the constant node. Set the value to 0.15. This will be the minimum transparency value. Slot B also has a constant value of 1. This maximum value means that the material is not transparent. Add a Fresnel node to the alpha slot. Exponent promote to parameter. Set a new name for the parameter. Now we need refraction, which is disabled by default. Use the search to find a refraction method. Change it to index of refraction. Refraction promote to parameter. Give a name. Set default value to 1.001. Click Apply. Activate all parameters in Material Instance. Set up Material Instance. Metallic 1, Roughness 0.1, Specular 1. Opaque exponent is responsible for Fresnel transparency. I set the value to 0.8. Now I will assign the instance material to all glasses. To fix the content drawer, click Dock in Layout. Drag the material onto the objects where you want to apply it. For all glass windows. Now the interior looks much better.